What's up, home cooks? My name is Leanne, and today we'll be cooking quick, simple, and for the most part, healthy meals. So in this week's episode, I was thinking we could make a potato and corn hash. Yes, it's such a perfect meal. You know, it's so versatile. It has endless options. It can be meatless, you can add meat. It's perfect for lunch, dinner, breakfast even, and it can be used as a side, it could be used as a main dish. So yeah, I think we can use the canned potatoes and the canned corn and the onions from this week's box, and then add some peppers in there and some different spices and herbs. And you know, feel free to add your own flair as well. You can do whatever you want with them. So with that, let's get started. When cutting a bell pepper, you want to remove the pith or white part on the inside that attaches to the seed and their membranes to reduce excess moisture in your dish. First, you want to cut the top and the bottom, discarding the stem and saving the pepper to cut later. Then use a spoon to scoop and clean the insides, and for this dish, we're going to then slice and dice it. Now, there are many ways to do this with a knife or cutting around the pepper, but as a safer alternative, till you work up to those awesome knife skills, is to use a spoon. Now this pepper is longer, so there was less pith to work with, but it can be applied to shorter ones as well. And when working with a hot pepper, this also helps to reduce the heat of the pepper when you remove the seeds and the membranes. Now there are many ways to get the perfect dice, but if you want to work on those knife skills we talked about, I'd start with removing the skin of the onion, cut the onion in half away from the top and the bottom, then make about 4 to 5 horizontal cuts depending on the size, then cut vertically 6 to 8 times, avoiding your fingers of course, and the top and the bottom, and cut downwards to get that perfect dice. Okay, let's try this. This is super refreshing, and especially now since it's so hot and humid, and I apologize for my face, like onions and oil and heat. I was definitely crying from the red onions earlier, but yeah, this is super refreshing. I added avocado to mine because it's pretty much a staple in Trinidad. That's what we add to a lot of our food. Really and truly, I added some scallions and parsley, and that was about it. It didn't really need much. The lemon definitely brings out the flavor and makes it super zesty and tasty, especially, like I said, for these hot days. Yeah, you can do anything you want to, you know? You can add any sorts of spices or herbs, and it can be an accompaniment to anything. I would really use like a salad if you're trying to just be light. Definitely, we have the lettuce in the box. Just rough chop that, add some oil, vinegar, salt, or just an already made dressing. That works too. And yeah, it would be great to accompany this. Yeah, super refreshing. I cannot wait to finish this. So with that said, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you all enjoy this meal as much as I did. And please leave comments, let us know what you think, and look forward to future videos. Stay well, peace, much love.